Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and today we're going to unbox the SC2. This SC2 cutter is a 28-inch cutter. We also offer this cutter in a 50-inch format, okay? This is our mid-grade plotter cutter, however you want to call it. This plotter offers about 3 features that are over and above our MH series. So here we go, we're going to start unboxing it. And a lot of people may ask, why is this plotter considered your mid-grade plotter? Why is it different than your entry-level plotter? There's 3 reasons. This plotter right here actually has a basket. The other one does not have a basket. If you want a basket, you have to have this one. It's also, besides being a little more robust, it's got a more powerful stepper motor, and it also is compatible with Mac. The Mac, you know, if you've got that system, you gotta have this one. You can't have our MH, it's only compatible with Windows. This one came with a little anti-static kit. We're gonna put it to the side. And we'll go over that later. And we're gonna see what's inside this box. And this is the basket. And this one here is like the rest of them. You have to pull it out all at one time, but the stand is also partially loaded on the top. I'm gonna take out a couple of components. And now we're gonna lift it out of the box. I'm gonna try to do this so you guys can see. I gently just lift it up by the chassis. Set it down right here. What's inside the box though is our accessory packet and the rest of our stand. Okay, now we're gonna take off these little styrofoam things, set them to the side here. And I'm gonna gently lift up on the chassis of the machine and pull the end ones off. There should be some rubber stoppers at the bottom. Do the same over here. Okay, put these to the side. Now I'm gonna point out there's a zip tie that holds the carriage in place. That's during shipping, so it doesn't damage. And I had earlier I cut it, so you'll have to cut it from the back side. And then, you know, we spread out the rollers. And this is the carriage arm, and we're gonna put a blade holder in there. The key panels, a little different. We're gonna show you how to operate that. But this is the plotter, and then now it's ready to be put on the stand, but we gotta build the stand first.